Question number 9. The function f and g are defined by this. So explain why the function fg does not exist. So fgx is actually f. Inside we put the gx. So for the gx, okay, we know that gx is 1 over x squared is always greater than 0. Okay, so 1 over x squared, the graph for 1 over x squared is this, and then the domain for x less than 0 will be this part. So this one we don't have, so this is always greater than 0. So but this is contradict with this. Okay, so this fg does not exist, so therefore fg does not exist because range of gx is g greater than 0. Okay, this one contradiction. B. Given that the function gf does not exist, find and simplify an expression of the gfx. Okay, so we want to find the gfx. So gfx is g and then 3x squared over 4x minus 1, then it's 1 over 3x squared over 4x minus 1 square, then it will become the 4x minus 1 square over 3x square. Okay, so this one move up. Okay, we know that if we have the a over b over c, then it will become a divided by b over c, then it will become a times c over b. So this is the ac over b. So it's same like we move the c above. Okay, so 4x minus 1 square, then it's 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 over the 9x power 4. 9x power 4. Done. Next, show that the f inverse of x can be write as in this form. Okay, so this is the fx. So let fy equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to y. So we have the 3y squared over 4y minus 1 equal to x. Then we have the 3y squared equal to x times 4y minus 1. So we have the 3y squared equal to 4xy minus x. Then we have the 3y squared minus 4xy plus x equal to 0. So we want to find y. Y will be the negative of negative 4x plus minus square root of negative 4x squared minus 3x, and then over 2a 3. Okay, so because we take the negative part here, domain is x less than 0, so the y will be 4x minus square root this one. We can factorize the 4 here. And this one is 16 x squared minus 12x over 6. So for this, we have the 4x minus square root. We factorize 4x, then we have 4x minus 3 and over 6. So the y will be 4x minus 2 square root x times 4x minus 3 over 6. So the whole thing divided by 2 or multiply with half, then it will become 2x minus square root x times 4x minus 3 over 3. So from here we can make a conclusion that the f inverse of x is this. So this is a quadratic equation. The a is 3, b is negative 4x, c is x. The unknown here is the y. Then we have the y squared. This is a quadratic equation. So for this one, we need to justify the inverse is the negative part only. 4x minus 1. So I know that the 3x squared is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and then the 4x minus 1. So the 3x squared over 4x minus 1. Okay, when the x less than 0, then the 4x minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, then when 4x minus 1 less than 0, if the x less than 0, so this thing will become less than 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, we have the 3x squared over 4x minus 1. So this is the graph. It's like this. Okay. So this is how the graph look like. When the x less than 0, then it's negative. Okay, so less than or equal to 0. Okay, so the inverse must be the negative only. Okay, so the x less than 0, the y less than 0. So this one because the so this is y less than 0, so we take negative only. Okay, done.